Welcome to Baked in AI, the Stop Missing Money series, Episode 2, What Voice AI Actually Does for a Real Business. Last episode, I told you that the missed call problem is costing your business money every single week. Today, I want to show you exactly what fixes it, and more importantly, what it actually looks like inside a real business. Because here's the thing, when most people hear voice AI, they picture a robot, that cold robotic, press 1 for billing, press 2 for support phone tree that makes you want to hang up immediately. That is not what we're talking about. Modern voice AI doesn't sound like a phone tree. It sounds like a calm, professional, knowledgeable member of your team. It listens, it responds naturally, it handles the conversation the way a great receptionist would, except it never calls in sick, never puts someone on hold for 10 minutes, and never misses a call at 9 p.m. on a Friday. So what does it actually do? Let me break it down. When a lead calls your business, your voice AI agent picks up instantly. It greets the caller by your business name in your brand's tone. It asks what they need. Based on their answer, it knows whether to book an appointment, collect their information, answer a common question, or escalate to a live human. It's not guessing. It's not reading from a script robotically. It's following a call flow you designed, built around how your business actually works. Here's a real example. An HVAC company, busy season. 3 technicians in the field, 1 person in the office drowning in calls. Every time she gets on the phone to book a job, 2 more calls come in and go to voicemail. By end of day, there are 11 missed calls. She calls back what she can. Half don't answer. 2 of those already booked with a competitor. That's not a staffing problem, that's a process problem. And voice AI solves it without hiring anyone. We connect a voice AI agent to their main business line. Now every call gets answered. The AI qualifies the caller. What's the issue? What's the address? Is it urgent or routine? If it's an emergency, it escalates immediately to the on-call tech. If it's a standard booking, it captures the information, checks availability, and books the appointment directly into their scheduling system. The caller gets a confirmation text. The office manager gets a notification. Nobody falls through the cracks. That company went from 11 missed calls a day to 0. In the first 30 days, they recovered 14 jobs that would have been lost. At an average ticket of $400, that's $5,600 in 1 month from one AI agent. Now here's what voice AI cannot do. And I want to be straight with you because this channel is not about hype. Voice AI is not a replacement for your whole team. It doesn't handle complex negotiations. It doesn't manage angry escalations the way an experienced human can. It doesn't build relationships with your best clients. Those things still need people. What it does is handle the volume, the repetition, and the after-hours gaps, so your people can focus on the work that actually requires them. Think of it this way. You wouldn't have your best salesperson spending their day answering, "What are your hours?" and "Do you serve my zip code?" That's what voice AI handles. Your people handle everything else. And here's where it gets powerful for mid-sized businesses. Once your voice AI is answering calls, it's also collecting data, every conversation, every question, every objection, every service request. That data feeds into your CRM automatically, and so you start to see patterns. What are people calling about most? What questions keep coming up? Where are leads dropping off? That's not just automation, that's intelligence. And that's where AI starts to compound for your business. So if you're running a service business, HVAC, plumbing, legal, dental, roofing, real estate, med spa, restoration, and your phone is still the primary way customers reach you, voice AI is your first move, not your 5th move, your first. In the next episode, we're going to go deeper. AI receptionist versus human receptionist, what each one should be doing, and how to set up the handoff so your customers never feel like they're talking to a machine when they shouldn't be. I'm Jory Pai. This is Baked in AI. Let's get to work. We are here to help. Reach out to us at themodernization company.com.